ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we will do monthly horoscope for September 2021 and the next in the series we will take natives with Scorpio sign and to know what is coming in September for these natives with respect to their careers, love and relationship, finance and health, and at the end of it we will do remedies to overcome problems. So let us start friend, and if you like my video then at the end of it please share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. As you can see the transit chart of September 2021 in the Scorpio sign in ascendant, Ketu is placed in 3rd number house, Saturn is placed in Capricorn, in 11 number sign or Aquarius sign in 4th house, Jupiter is placed in 7th house, Taurus Rashi, Rahu is placed in 10th house, in Leo sign Sun and Mars placed together, and Mercury Venus placed in 11th house, in Virgo sign together in the 11th house. Now starting with the careers of the Scorpio natives. With regards to your professional life, this month will be favorable for Scorpio native. The placement of ascendant Lord Mars in the 10th house with 10th Lord Sun will make you quite aggressive, enhancing your leadership qualities. Also, the aspect of Jupiter on the 10th house would ensure that relationship with your colleagues and bosses would be full of cooperation and the work environment would be quite pleasurable. Also, since ascendant Lord Mars and 10th Lord Sun combination placed in 10th house is very favorable, then you will shine as a good leader, taking some bold decision due to the placement of two fiery planets which are friendly to each other. Also, success is ensured due to aspect of Jupiter on the 10th house in all your endeavors. Also, Jupiter being the 2nd lord and the 5th lord, you might get promoted or you will get some monetary incentive which would be credited to your bank account. Moreover, you will get popularity in your professional workplace, especially during the first 2 weeks of month. Also, time would be mixed for people in business as well, as 7th Lord Venus is placed in 11th house with Mercury in the sign of debilitation, making a Neech Bhangam Raj Yoga, but after that Venus will move to the next sign, 12th house, his own house, which would be Libra sign after the first week in 12th house. Then the natives in business related to foreign countries will earn profits. Also, the placement of Rahu in the 7th house, which is the exalted sign of Rahu, suggests that people who are into the export business or doing business related to foreigners will do very well during the month of September, and some big foreign deal or collaboration may land up in your hand. Now regarding the finance point of view, from finance point of view, this month would be favorable in general, as 11th Lord Mercury is placed in 11th house with Venus, and due to this placement continuous flow of income would be there. The Lord of 2nd house Jupiter is placed in the 4th house and it is aspected by Sun and Mars, so you might buy new property or vehicle, but only during the first 2 weeks of the month of September, as after that Jupiter will get debilitated, so you might not get a good deal. Also, during this period, stock, shares, speculation and investment can give you gains, but during the first half of the month of September. Now regarding the love and relationship, September 2021 for Scorpio shows that Venus and Mercury together in the 11th house and aspecting the 5th house of love and romance, and also placement of Jupiter in the 4th house of happiness would make you happy and blissful. There would be mutual love and good understanding between the couple. But Venus being debilitated and also Mars aspecting the 5th house from 10th house and Saturn aspecting the 5th house from the 3rd house, this joy would be short-lived and there might be early breakup due to clashes, fights and arguments between the lovers. Rahu's placement in the 7th house in Taurus sign shows that some of you might get their marriage fixed. After the first week of month of September, Venus will transit to the 12th house of bet player in own sign, which is the Libra sign, and also Jupiter would be aspecting this Venus from the 4th house. There would be pleasurable and intimate moment between the lovers after the first week of the month. Single persons will have great opportunities getting into love relationship during this time, as the 5th Lord Jupiter and the 12th Lord Venus would be there, but only after the first 2 weeks of the month. Overall, there will be a lot of fun and memories to cherish for couples in love relationship after the first week of month. However, time can be challenging for the married people, especially for the first week when Venus would be debilitated. To keep your married life on track, you will need to be tactful. The presence of Rahu in the 7th house can bring increasing distance between husband and wife. Also, there might be disagreement with the spouse about something which can cause fight and clashes with your spouse, and also due to placement of Rahu in the 7th house, there can be doubts about each other about something. So you are advised to remain calm and tackle the situation with maturity and wisdom. Now, regarding the health point of view, overall this month is expected to be good from health point of view, as ascendant Lord Mars aspecting the own sign or ascendant Scorpio sign. Also, there is aspect of Jupiter on ascendant Lord Mars, which will give you positive energy. There may be complaints of some allergies, as Ketu is placed in Lagna or ascendant and Rahu is aspecting it. So caution is required on your part. So you are advised to eat healthy and exercise, and also stress of all types should be avoided by resorting to relaxation techniques. The remedies would be do Venus mantra for problems in business and relationship, and do the mantra for Jupiter for improving finances. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, like it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911351351, 08130201201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।